Hey friends, if Realtek audio is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The next solution is to restart the Windows audio service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows Audio Troubleshooter, so audio service, right click on it and then select restart. Okay, and then you can update the audio driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Right click on the third one and update the drivers and update each and every driver here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.